This is the Z Fold 7, the evolution of foldable perfection. Sleeker, thinner, and tougher with the new Flex Hinge 2.0. A 200 megapixel main camera captures mind-bending detail. Open it up to a 7.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED that feels like a tablet.
Inside the box, Samsung keeps it simple. You get a USB C-to-C cable, the SIM ejector pin, and a quick start guide. That's it. The star of the show, of course, is the Fold 7 itself. The build is refined and surprisingly light at just 216 grams, so it feels almost weightless in the hand.
Fold a power phone this slim, just 8.9 millimeters. Unfold it, and it melts away to an incredible 4.2. That's thinner than a stack of 2 credit cards. Built to venture out, it carries a unique IP48 rating, impervious to dust and ready.
Under the hood, this foldable runs the new Snapdragon 8 Elite built on a 3nm process. It crushes benchmarks with an Antutu score over 2 million, delivering desktop-class power in your pocket. For connectivity, it packs the very latest Wi-Fi 7 for multi-gigabit speeds and Bluetooth 5.4 for rock-solid.
The cover screen is a massive 6.5-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Unfold it, and you get a stunning 8-inch main display. Both panels fly at 120 Hz for ultra-smooth scrolling, gaming, and video. It's sharp, it's vivid, and it's built to flex between everything you do.
This foldable runs your favorite titles at a locked 90 frames per second with full ray trace lighting. Every puddle, every neon glow, rendered in real time. Even after marathon sessions, the throttle score stays a rock-solid 69% and surface temps hover around 39 degrees. Cool, quiet.
The camera system is next level. A massive 200 megapixel main sensor with optical stabilization captures stunning detail, even in the dark. A 12 megapixel ultrawide opens up the scene, while the 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom brings you closer without losing sharp.
Video capabilities are unmatched. You can shoot up to 8K resolution at 60 frames per second on the rear camera, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. Even the front camera handles high-quality 4K video, perfect for creators, streamers, and everyday moments.
This phone carries a 4,400 milliamp hour battery. Big, efficient, and ready to run an entire day of video games, socials, and web without sweating. Endurance? Excellent. But when it's time to refill, the story changes. The 25-watt cap puts it in the slow lane while rivals are already...
This is One UI 8 on Android 16. Jump into settings and you'll find something rare. 7 years of guaranteed security updates and 2 major OS upgrades already baked in. And with Galaxy AI, day-to-day tasks like summarizing articles or cleaning up photos happen instantly on device. The future-proofing is incredible.
So, is the Z Fold 7 worth the upgrade? If you're ready to experience the 200 megapixel camera, that gorgeous foldable display, and 7 years of guaranteed updates, the purchase link is in the description below. Hit subscribe for our head-to-head comparison coming